All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James in Dubai, super pumped, bright and early. We are going right away to a full Yemeni mandi goat platter. Let's go check it out, guys. You're gonna get hungry in this video, because today we're super lucky to have Mr. Mohammed Nasser Al Quda, owner of Maraheb Restaurant in Dubai, bringing us in to see the full making of Yemen's most famous dishes, like full mandi goat, mandi chicken, madbi barbecue chicken, malawa Yemeni bread, hanith lamb, salta fasa veal stew, and more. Let's eat. We're here bright and early. It's at Maraheb Restaurant, and we are gonna go see the full making of this mandi. Hi, Mohammed. Nice to see you. Nice to see you again. Happy to see you. Oh, so you made the longest line of mandi in the world. 2 Guinness World Records here. Largest display of mandi, 4,888. Was that 4,888 portions? Wow. And we are going into the kitchen. This is gonna be my first time ever seeing and tasting a Yemeni mandi dish. Hey guys, how's it going? Assalamu alaikum. Oh, head chef. Hi sir, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Oh, and here comes the prized possession, the full goat. Amazing. So this is gonna be for the whole Yemeni goat platter.
Exactly.
Wow. And here's the Yemeni spices.
Exactly.
Oh, wow. It's like the Yemeni masala.
Exactly. Cardamom, veal,
Cardamom,
salt,
pepper,
pepper.
turmeric. Wow, look at the spices in there. You can actually see, I think there's caraway seeds in there too.
Exactly, yeah. Also.
Oh, it smells
cardamom.
amazing. You can smell cumin, zira. Oh, look at that full goat platter. This is amazing. And this is a Yemeni dish cooked over a bed of fragrant rice. Look at this, guys. That aroma is just out of this world. Oh, nice. And this is gonna go over tons of rice, and Mohammed is gonna show us the full process. Oh, there it is. So full marinade now.
Yeah,
finished. So it's got the caraway, it's got cumin, turmeric, salt, pepper, coriander seeds, and it looks amazing. Thank you for showing us, Mohammed.
Sure, absolutely.
Okay, and then here we go. The full goat is going on to this tray. Here it goes, guys, into the oven. So Mohammed was just explaining this is to replace the traditional underground pit that these were made in. Oh, and look at this. What's this here?
This is the chicken. We call it madbi.
Madbi chicken.
Madbi chicken. Yeah, it's like barbecue chicken. And also we have the one which is boneless. We usually call it musahab.
Musahab.
Musahab, but like in our marination. So it's like musahab madbi.
Wow. Oh my. Oh.
So this is the chicken mandi oven.
Chicken mandi?
Yeah.
Oh, let's take a look.
You will like it.
Wow, look at that. Chicken mandi.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is like a Yemeni chicken?
Absolutely, yeah, Yemeni. And it's done by Yemeni chefs.
Done by Yemeni chefs. So chef here is from Yemen.
Yemen.
Your good name?
Name Fuad.
Fuad. Nice to meet you. And your good name? Fadir. So this is the secret Yemeni chicken recipe.
Mandi chicken.
Mandi chicken. Oh my goodness, and look at all these spices for the Yemeni chicken and Yemeni goat. So we've got cumin, we've got cloves, different types of pepper and masala, tons of local spices. We've got turmeric, it's all here. And we've been waiting 2 hours now, and the Yemeni mandi full goat is ready. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. This is it, 2 hours.
Wow.
Oh, there it is. Wow, look at that. It looks so soft. Wow, and then this goes on top of the rice?
Yeah, it's gonna be on the top of the rice.
On top of the Yemeni style?
Exactly, we'll do it just now.
Okay, and then Mohammed, these up here, are these like the leg pieces?
This is the
lamb.
The lamb.
Leg piece.
Different parts.
Different parts.
Yeah.
Let's take the rice. Let's look at the rice. Yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Look at the color on that. It's huge. It's so steaming fresh and hot. And look at all the spices on there. Oh, and he's got to mix it up. So what sort of spices go into this? Wow! Look at that. Mixing it up. You can see. Oh, there's a little bit of a tomato on top.
Yeah. They call it the chutney.
Oh, the chutney.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. So, chef, what sort of ingredients are in here? Maybe you can ask.
خبرهم شو المكونات اللي هي موجودة.
أجود أنواع البارك اللبناني. فلفل أسود.
Okay. Cumin.
صيني.
Oh, this is the serving. This is gonna be for us right here. Look at this. This is for our Yemeni mandi platter. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is all for the Yemeni platter. The mandi platter. Oh my goodness. Look at the spices in there. Wow. It smells incredible. You can smell tomato. You can smell the turmeric aroma. Oh, and look how he's just dancing with the rice. Just making the rice fly so elegantly. Wow. And look at the spices in there. You can see the cloves, you can see the tomato, and you can smell the bay leaves. And this is all for the mandi platter.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my, here it is. Look at that. And the full goat's gonna go on top of that. Beautiful. Oh, the piaz, the onions.
Onions and like...
The fried onions.
exactly.
Oh, and then raisins. We've got dried raisins on there. Okay, and then here comes our goat. Look at this. Wow. It's huge. Okay, here we go. The Yemeni goat platter. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks so juicy. How old is this goat? It's a baby goat?
It's a baby goat. All of them are baby goats. We don't get the big ones.
More juicy.
More juicy.
More
Especially for the whole meat thing. We are getting the smallest one.
It's amazing. Look at the... Oh.
You can see how thin is the bones are the bones, yeah?
It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then fresh tomatoes, onions, and lemons on top. Look at that. It's so beautiful, decorated so nicely. Thank you, Mohammed, for showing us this incredible Yemeni mandi. It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at all the spices on there. So we've got the raisins, we've got the onion, we've got the lemon, carrots, and then this is like a Yemeni rice, right?
Sella rice.
Sella rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sella rice, but the way of the cooking, like you can cook many things with sella rice, yeah?
Okay.
The way of Yemeni cooking is this.
Beautiful. And I just love how it's covered in so many spices. Okay, and then next up, you were saying we're gonna make a special dish here, right?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna be making here?
We call it salta fahsa.
Seta fasid.
Yeah.
Oh my, and then look at this. We're gonna get this is a veal dish, Yemeni veal dish with lots of spices. There's tomato and onion. There's sweet green bell pepper. It looks pretty good, doesn't it, Ting? Oh, and there it is. Wow. Finished. And then this is the bread station over here, right?
We'll demonstrate something for you.
Oh, wow. Look at these giant tandoors. Super hot. Oh, and here's the bread. Beautiful. Looks like a cinnamon bun, like all swirled up. Look at that. So it's made into a big naan. Look at that skill. Wow. Oh, I've never seen a bread making like this. Okay, little oil. Oh, wow. And then some seeds. These are the habba soda seeds.
Habba soda, yeah. Habibi.
Wow, and then right in there, look at that. Oh, it's a thin, long, circular bread. And just look at that bread, it's just getting golden brown. Here it comes. Oh, perfectly golden brown. And there it is, look at that, Yemeni flatbread. Oh my, it smells fantastic. Thank you very much. Oh, and what's this here?
This is hanith.
Hanith.
Yeah.
Oh,
We have ribs and shoulders.
oh, lamb ribs and lamb shoulders.
After this, we just take it to the tandoor.
To the tandoor.
Yeah.
Oh, so
just to get like a little bit crispy,
little crispy.
and then we serve it to the customer.
Oh wow, you can smell the cardamom in there. Oh, and there it goes. This is the hanith.
Hanith, yeah.
Hanith. Oh, into the tandoor. Look at that, right at the bottom. And the flame goes up.
So to get
Wow.
the crispy without losing the juicy taste.
It'll get naturally crispy
Exactly.
from the tandoor.
Exactly.
Okay, here it comes. Oh, look at that. So it's first stewed and then it's put in the tandoor. Looks good. Number one. Number one. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mohammed, for showing us
Appreciate it.
that.
Thanks for coming.
It's a beautiful, beautiful scene to witness. Let's take the shoes off and look at this traditional Yemeni seating area. You can sit on the floor and enjoy your full goat mandi. Awesome, and we got the giant flatbread here. And let's wait for that mandi. Oh, and here it comes. Wow, look at the size. Oh my. It's a massive beauty. Look at that. Thank you, boss. That's the Yemeni mandi full goat platter. Amazing. This is so beautiful, and what an honor to witness the whole experience, guys. Mohammed was saying that they will be able to donate to charity whatever we don't finish. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat a whole goat here today, so I think I'm just gonna take a leg piece, put it on my plate, and then we can do some good and give the rest to charity. Look at that. So this is a traditional Yemeni mandi platter, right?
Exactly.
So it's for a lot of the time for celebrations like weddings and
Any kind of gathering.
Gatherings.
We can have this.
Actually the goat gets smaller as it gets juicier in the oven. So you really just get the pure juicy meat. And look at all the spices on there. So how would you normally eat this? With hands or take a leg?
Go ahead.
Is that how it's done?
Yeah.
Just take a leg. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It just comes right off. Just put that on the plate there. And then look at that giant bread. That was an amazing thing to see how he was just slapping it. He's so professional making that bread. Oh, wow. It's bubbling. And then here's the special Yemeni veal dish. Oh, it's just like a stone pot.
It is a real stone.
And you were saying these are imported from Yemen?
Yeah. They engrave it there and we buy it from them.
And they're quite rare.
Well, it's tough to get them.
Tough to get them.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the tender chunks of veal in there. Oh yeah, and you can see the green bell peppers. You can smell the aroma from the tomatoes. Oh, that is amazing. And you eat that with the bread?
With the bread. These two are going to be with the bread.
Wow. Oh, thank you, Mohammed. Oh, and that's the rice.
So we are doing this just, we don't want to touch the whole lamb for donation.
Yeah.
As per your request. But usually we have it directly from the big
tray. Thanks, Mohammed. So what are these three sauces here? This is
yogurt and cucumber.
Yogurt and cucumber?
Yeah, this is a mix of tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Okay, this is tomato sauce with cheese.
Tomato and cheese?
Yeah.
So this is the yogurt with cucumber you're saying?
Exactly, yeah.
And you can just pour it on the rice? Just for the first bite, take a little bit. Ooh, there it is. Look at that, yogurt, cucumber. So it's gonna be cooling and refreshing. Let's try it out. Oh. Oh, that is delicious. Oh, wow. That rice is so aromatic. It's really light. I like that. It's like a light, spiced Yemeni mandi dish. It's more like a light, aromatic. You can taste the tomato and all of those spices in there that really make it easy to eat. And then the goat meat, this is just so juicy and soft. And I love how it's just, all of the spices are really subtle. So it's smooth and it just goes down easy. And then you've got the sweetness from the raisins and the aromatics from the onions. And then that yogurt and cucumber is cooling. So it's a lot in one bite. It's just like a full mouth enjoyment there. Thanks, Mohammed.
Welcome.
And next up, so you're saying this can go on the rice as well?
You can have it with rice, you can have it with the bread.
That looks amazing. Dubai has so much food and so many cultures that I'm just learning about. You guys gotta come to Dubai and try out these flavors. There's so much here. Oh, and here's the bread.
Even better.
Super hot bread. Oh, it's so crispy.
And hot.
And hot. Wow. Well, thank you, Mohammed. And it can go right on here, right?
Right.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let's try it out. So this dish name is?
Salta Fahsan.
Salta Fahsan. Let's try it out. Oh, that is fantastic. Nice. Wow, that is out of this world. Delicious. So aromatic with the tomatoes, the onions, and the veal. It's like a rich veal stew. So nice. And the stone pot probably gives it more flavor, right?
More flavor and like it stays hot for a long time.
It stays hot. Yeah. Oh, and then the bread is crispy and it's got that tandoori toasted aroma. Thanks, Mohammed. So nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, thanks, Mohammed. Beautiful naan. Okay, and next up is this dish here. So what's this dish called?
Sahawiq jibn.
Sahawiq?
So this we add cheese with it. Jibn is cheese.
Oh, so it's like a tomato sauce
with cheese.
With cheese.
Yeah, you will like it. So
how do you eat it? You just
dip in.
Just dip it? Tomato, cheese, and then look at the cumin on top of that. And this is your favorite?
I like
You
it.
used to have this all the time for breakfast?
All the time for breakfast.
Okay. Oh. Wow. That is incredible. It's definitely spicy. You can taste some chili in there. Kind of like, you can definitely taste some cilantro in there as well. A spicy tomato, cilantro, cheesy dip. Wow. Okay. Ting, you gotta try that out. How's that? Really nice? Thank you, chef. It was so delicious. How do you say it was very delicious in Arabic?
Laviv.
Laviv. Laviv. Thank you very much. Very Laviv. Number one. Thank you.
Good.
Very good. Wow, that was just amazing. We are full now. Thank you, Mohammed.
Welcome.
Beautiful meal. The rest we are gonna wrap up and give to charity. We didn't touch any of it with our hands. Thanks, guys. That was amazing.
Thank you guys. Thanks for coming.
Beautiful. Great, and there's all the bags for charity. Should be good. Okay, that was great. Thanks to Maraheb and Mohammed. Thanks, Mohammed.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Amazing food. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you thought about this video. Thanks for watching, guys. So good to be here in Dubai.